No way it is this easy.
Yeah.
It just gave me exactly what I needed.
Yeah.
Okay, I am actually enjoying this.
Wait, this is actually impressive.
Yeah.
I didn't expect this level of creativity.
Mm-hmm.
This might be better than I imagined.
You're being stubborn. Get out, this come button. Get out.
I can't access Grok anymore. Try YouTube now.
Everyone has been shocked by how Grok suddenly switched to paid. A lot of creators have been silent, some even frustrated and confused. But here's the truth, you don't need to stress yourself. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use free AI tools to create amazing videos at no cost. In fact, the video you just watched was created using YouTube. And guess what? It's 100% free and only took 8 seconds to generate. Isn't that amazing? So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. I have a good news for you. I have found a perfect way in which you can generate your video, 8 seconds video for free. 8 seconds video for free. So firstly, I'm going to copy my prompt. So I went to ChatGPT once, generated the prompt that I want to use. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is to generate my images. So I'm going to move over here. And generate my image. So this is my image description. So I'm going to copy it. Now, when I copy it, I'll head over to my browser. And type WHISK AI. Okay. So just paste your prompt here. I paste my prompt here and add some things to it. Okay, after this, I'm going to hit generate. Now, this is the image which I generated. Okay. All right, so you see that you turn it to 9 by 16 or 16 by 9. The app we are going to use now is still going to turn it by 9 by 16. I believe that they are working on using 16 by 9. Okay, this is mainly for shorts. All right. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to download it. I'll download it. Okay. All right. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to generate images as much as I want. So this, I'm going to generate this image again. Okay. I'm going to paste my prompt. Right, so after this, all right, now this is the image which I generated. Okay. Now, if you want this prompt, kindly prompts in the description. Okay, generate your images as much as you want. Okay, so I'm going to generate 2 characters conversing. Okay, now this is the second image which I generated. All right, now I'm done generating all my images. You can generate as much as you want. Now let's head over to our YouTube. Now when you go to YouTube, okay, I'm using YouTube Studio. When you go to YouTube, you are going to see this plus icon. Select it. Now you are going to see video, short, live. You're going to see video, short, live, posts. Then this icon, this logo that is here, up right here by your right hand side. Okay, you are going to kindly select it. Okay, kindly select it. So I'm going to click on it now. All right, so it says here create video, photo to video, and thereabouts. So I'm going to click on create video. Now, whatever video you have in mind, make me best friend with Green Reaper, drinking boba tea, whatever thing you need here. This one is make me interrogate a suspicious pigeon. So let's try this one. Just paste your idea here. Okay, this is great for now. After this, I'm going to click on generate. Now it's generating. Right, so this is test to what? This is test to video. Okay, this is test to video. Okay, so let's see if it's going to talk.
Get out. You're being stubborn. Get out, this come button. Get out.
Okay, now can you see that this is where you're going to download? Then if you go to your gallery, it will be downloaded there. Go to your files, you're going to see it there. Then next is if you want to post it directly to YouTube, you can just post it here. All right, so this is where you download your video. Now this is strictly for shorts.
Okay, those that are using short, whether it's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Instagram, this is where you generate your video. All right, and it is 8 seconds. It is 8 seconds. Now I'm moving backward. When I move backward, then I'll I'll move backward again. Then they said make a move. Let me click here. This is a move. Whatever thing you want to replicate, you can replicate it here. Okay, you can choose any move that you want. All right, so let's try this out. This is correct. Then I'm going to upload a photo, and it must be full body photo, okay, which captures your body. Then if you want a dance as well, whatever thing you want, okay, you can as well choose it. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and choose a photo. All right, let me choose this photo. Then the next thing you're going to do is to do what? To select send. Just select send. And you're going to wait for a few seconds, your video will be ready. And one thing I love about this YouTube AI generator is that it is very fast. It is very fast. You can use it to generate a lot of things in a day, and it's completely for free. It is completely for free. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay. And the good aspect, it is 8 seconds. They're going to try all this together. You are trying this together. So this is alternative to Grok. And the best part, it is free. You're not going to pay for it. So we're going to see the results. Okay, our video is ready. Okay. Okay, I think it will be better if it is wearing a trouser or thereabout, because the video you wanted to replicate is wearing a trouser. Okay, so I think so. So whatever thing you want to generate, you can use this. This is beautiful. You can use this to generate it. Okay, so just select done. If you want to use it here, you can just select done, click here and save to your device. You click here and save to your device. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do, you're going backward. Just go backward. You're going to choose photo to video. Photo to video. Just select your photo. All right, so let me select this photo of my choice. Now when you select your photo, it's going to write getting suggestion, only use photo of others with their permission. Don't use a recognized photo. Don't use a photo that will lead you into problem. Okay, you have to follow YouTube standard. You know how YouTube is. YouTube doesn't play. YouTube is not like Facebook. YouTube, in as much as Facebook is very strict, YouTube is very strict. It will give you a copyright. So whatever thing you are generating, make sure you generate your photo and use it. Be very, very careful. This is YouTube. This is not Grok. Grok, you can do whatever thing you want to do with Grok, but YouTube, you cannot. Now they have suggested some things that I can use, but this is not what I want. I want to type my prompt. So I'm going to type my prompt here. Okay, so this is what I said. I said the two men are conversing. One on white t-shirt said to the other, I can't access Grok anymore with sad face. The one on long sleeve said, try YouTube now. So let's hit generate. Now this is amazing. This is amazing. YouTube really knows that a day like this will come, and this is free. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay. This is amazing. Now it is.
If you're finding this helpful, kindly like, subscribe and follow this channel.
It's ready. It is ready. Let's see the result.
I can't access Grok anymore. Try YouTube now.
Okay.
I can't access Grok anymore. Try YouTube now.
Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
I can't access Grok anymore.
This is beautiful. So if you want to download this one, you have to select these 3 dots. Select the 3 dots here and select save to device. Now, I believe they are working on 16:9. Very soon it will be up here. Now you only generate with what? With shorts. This is for short, and mostly I would recommend you use 1 character. If you use 2 character, it might show, but as you can see, the other one is not fully capturing the other one. All right, so it's not really fully capturing the other one. So after that, just click here and save to device. This is beautiful. Okay. All right, so you can generate as much as you want in a day. Now you can as well, the good aspect of it is that you can as well generate your image here. You might not even like to go to WHISK AI, ChatGPT, or any app that can generate image. You can just generate whatever thing you want here. Okay, so let's generate our image. So I'm going to hit generate. Can you see that? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can you see? Oh my goodness. These are the images he generated for me. Can you see how it's giving? This is clean image. This is clean image. These are the images it's generated for me. These are the images. This looks so realistic. So YouTube has taken it to another level. Now I can just type, I can just adjust this and say she's sitting down on a couch. So I'm gonna hit generate. Now this is what I said. I said a beautiful Nigerian lady smiling watching TV. She's sitting down on a couch. That is the prompt I gave. And here is it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So I'm gonna click here and save to device. So when you go back, you're gonna still see this. Click on the three dots and save to device. Click here and save to device. Just as much as you want and save to device. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. YouTube is really doing well. YouTube is really doing well. Okay. So you're going to click on background. If you want to create any background of your choice, let's create a background. Now I said the green screen background. This is what it gave me. Now there's something else I want to add. So whatever thing you want to generate, whether it's an image or whatever thing it is, this is vintage, anime, clear, airbrush, whatever style you want. You can choose any style you want here. Okay. This one is polygon. You can choose any style you want here. Okay. Now this is beautiful. Then you can still generate your background music here. You can generate a background music here. Now it says here, lyrics, create a track with vocals. Okay. They're now asking, what is it about? What is your lyrics about? You can just type it here. Now it says, you can choose the reference they gave here. Okay. So it says here, we finally made it at the top. Then the genre, whether it's a dance or electronic pop, country, rock, R&B, and all the rest. If you click here, it's going to bring more. So let's select this. Then they says, how does it feel? They says here, how does it feel? Dreamy, sassy, anxious, surreal. So let me use dreamy. So let's dreamy. All right. So after this, just hit generate and wait. It has generated our song for us. Okay, we finally made it. So this is track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4, and it's 30 seconds per. Okay, let's see.
Made it to the top. We finally made it to the top. We finally made it.
Okay, so let's listen to this one.
We finally We finally made it to the top. We finally made
So I think I love this one. Then just click here, select the one you want.
We finally
Cool.
made it to the top.
So move over here. You can use it as your own. Okay, you can use it as your background short song. All right, or you can screen record it and listen to it.
I believe you found this video helpful. Kindly like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications bell so you will be the first to see my next video on time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.